Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure your phone has power and data. Open the Hotspot app now and allow the permissions it requests. Once done, pick a clear SSID name and set an 8+ character password to prevent casual access. Make sure Wi-Fi and cellular are enabled in system settings so the app can bind to the radio. You're not just toggling features, you're preparing a secure bridge from your carrier connection to other devices on the network. Next, configure the tethering options that matter. Choose 4 GHz for range or 5 GHz for faster local speed, and set a client cap so you don't exceed your data plan. Once configured, enable data limits or per-client quotas in the app to avoid surprise charges. Make sure client isolation is on if you don't want devices to talk to each other. After saving these settings, the app will create the network. Check the displayed SSID and password, and proceed to connect your first device. Now connect a device to the new SSID using the password and confirm you have internet access. Open a web page or run a quick speed test. If connectivity fails, first toggle the hotspot off and on, then restart mobile data or the phone. These steps refresh the radio and app binding. If problems persist, make sure carrier tethering is allowed, the correct AP band is selected, and permissions remain granted. One key tip:
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.